Hello guys, today I'm talking how to convert your BTC to USDT using your limits, your markets, and your stop limits. But my main focus will be on this stop limit over here. Um, USDT is also known as Theta. You can see it here, Theta. So the abbreviation of it is USDT. Now, what is USDT? USDT is a stable currency that is pegged with dollar. USDT protects users from the volatility of the cryptocurrencies. What this means is that now let's say you have a Bitcoin and Bitcoin is selling at $6,000, that is the dollar value, and you don't want your dollar value to go down. So what you can do is that you can convert it to USDT because it's a stable currency and it will save that your dollar value. Um, the way it works is that let's say Bitcoin is selling at $6,000 and the price of Bitcoin rise to $7,000. So you can switch it to USDT so that in case Bitcoin price drops down to that 6,000, you still have your $7,000 intact. So guys, that's how this stuff works. And with this, I'll teach you guys on how to go long and how to go short on Bitcoin. You can trade Bitcoin using the USDT. So once you go long, that means you can use it to make profit. While if you're going short to the same thing, you can use it to make profit. If you're going long, that means your dollar value will increase. While if you're going short, that means your Satoshi value will increase into. That's how it works. Now let's take some examples regarding it. I'll be using the limits as example market, but I'll talk more on this stop limits over here. Now, right now I'm on Binance, and you can see it here, BTC stroke USDT. So this is where you can convert it, but I already opened it down. Now you can see limits, markets, and stop limits. So this is what I'll be doing. For the limits, this means that you are buying at a certain price. Market means that you are buying at the current price it is at the moment. While stop limits has two parts. The limit just the same thing as this limit here. Then the stop here will be your trigger price. Now, if you have a BTC and you want to convert to USDT, what you do is that you sell, you don't buy. Now I have Bitcoin. I have one Bitcoin, for example. I want to switch to USDT. So I will sell it. I don't buy. You sell it. Then if you have a USDT and you want to convert to Bitcoin, what you do is that you buy. So guys, take note of this part. Now, using my limits, it's just the same thing as limits. Just come here. Now let's say I have Bitcoin now. I want to convert to USDT, and this is the limit here. I'll just come here, put the price, then put 100% and sell it. That means my money converted to USDT, and I can put any price I want because I'm using my limit now, so I can put maybe I want to convert it at a certain price. Why market is just the same thing. This now I'll be selling at the current prices at the moment. Same thing too if you have a USDT, you can come here and buy. That means your USDT now converted to Bitcoin. So that's how it was, guys. Now the main focus on this time will be the stop limits. So I will try and explain this to you. With this stop limit, you can either go long or go short in Bitcoin. Now, okay, let's use the practical example. Now, Bitcoin is selling at 13,204. Now, let's say I have Bitcoin now, and I want to go short on this. So I don't know. Probably maybe the price of Bitcoin will drop. I mean, this upward. So there's a high chance that the price of Bitcoin might drop from here. Now let's take this as a support level. That if this thing should break this support level, we might see a bearish in the market. So to avoid that, now I'm going short now on this. So I want to place my stop limit here. That once this coin should break this spot here, please convert my money to USDT for me. That means I'm going short. In that way, too, you also be in profit because your SAT value will be increasing. That's Satoshi value of it will be increasing. Now let's say you have 0.512 Bitcoin and you convert it to USDT and the price starts going down. So your start value now might increase to 0.6 or 0.7 thereabouts. So that's how to go short on it. Now let's take an example. Now I have Bitcoin now. Okay, I'm using this price here, 12,000. Let's use this pattern. 12,000, 12,966. 12,000, 12,966. And the stop now, which will be our stop loss. My put is at let's say 12,966. Now my put is at 12,999. So what this means is that if the price should start dropping and it touches this 12,999, another to sell this Bitcoin to USDT of this order will be placed on Binance. Let me just do it for you guys so you guys can see. Now see, you can see it here. If the last price drops to or below 12,999 USDT, another to sell this Bitcoin at this price will place. So that's how it works, guys. Now with this now, I can go short now, so I'm going short. So even if Bitcoin price is going down, I will still have my dollar value intact, and my start value will start increasing. So now I'm going short on this. Now let's go long. How to go long on Bitcoin? Okay, this is it now. So let's take this now as our resistance level. This part over here as our resistance level, and Bitcoin is saying that 13. So what it means that now if Bitcoin should break this 13,807, might see a bullish trend. So that means that I'm going long. So and so I'm telling Binance that please once this order hits this spot here, please convert my Bitcoin from USDT to BTC. So I'm going on so that I will also make profits with the rise in Bitcoin. So that's how to go long on this. Now let's set an order now on this. 13,807. So now I'm doing it on my buy side now because I have a USDT. So I want to go long on Bitcoin. So I'm switching to Bitcoin. So I will do this on my buy. You know that if you have USDT, you buy back to Bitcoin. If you have Bitcoin, you sell to USDT. To 13,807. So I'll not go like this. Let's say 13,800. You can see that this is lower now because what this means is that once the price starts going up and touches this 13,800, another to buy this coin at this price will place on Binance. So once Bitcoin go on a bullish trend, I will still make profit along with it. Let's just place an example so you guys can see. You can see it here. If the last price rise to above 13,800 USDT, another to buy this Bitcoin at this price at 13,807 USDT will place. So what this means that is that I can go long on this one, I can go short. If I'm going long, that means I'm making profit with the rise in Bitcoin. If I'm going short too, I still have my dollar value, but my start value will keep on increasing. So guys, with this now, you can make profits trading Bitcoin USDT. So you must be very smart to know when to go long and when to go short. Because if you mix it up, you might end up losing your start value or your dollar value. So to avoid that, you know when to short and when to long. So guys, I hope these videos help you guys. You can like, you can subscribe. If you have any questions, you let me know on the comments. I'll be posting some other videos too. Thanks.